Welcome to the tutorial on installing the Green Power module in the Kamei Ver Plus automation for garage doors. For installation you will need a small flat screwdriver for terminals and a star screwdriver. The material to be installed is composed of the Green Power module and the connection cables. First, turn off the power to the automation. Remove the 230 power terminal block, and disconnect the two cables that go to the transformer. Connect the cable just removed to the L1T and L2T terminals provided. Insert the transformer cable into the module in the position indicated. Wire the cable provided with the power supply terminal block and reposition it on the bottom of the automation. Insert the power cable into the Green Power module in the position indicated. Place the module in the guide next to the transformer. Using the two screws, secure the module. Using the second cable provided, connect the Green Power module to the electronic board via the STB terminal block. Verify that the F60 function is correctly set to the value 2. Access with the Enter key and scroll through the menu until you reach the F60 function, then press Enter again to check the value. If the F60 function is not present, you need to update the board to the latest firmware. Use the Kamei key and the Setup app to update. The automation with Green Power installed goes into low consumption mode after 3 minutes of inactivity. This state is signaled by a flash of the display LED every 5 seconds. For more information, please visit the technical documentation website at docs.kamei.com. We hope we have been helpful, and thank you for choosing Kamei for your automatic gate.